Oh, hello again, everybody. My last video was of a happy event when I went to watch my YouTube friend Algie take his little single-seater biplane up on its maiden flight. But this video is a sad affair, and it's about my old boat, NORSELA. She's a Colvick Watson 34-foot hull, but she was 11 metres overall because I put a bowsprit on her ready for bow tooth berthing in Sweden against the rocks. And I sailed her many thousands of miles and had some very happy memories. And I'll put a link at the end of this video to show you some of the memories that I had with her. She was wonderful, thoroughly enjoyed it, comfortable, and a joy to be on. But the new owner who bought the boat about, 2 or 3 weeks ago, he sent me a message asking for some history information. And he told me that it was at this place, Hayward Basin. And so I've come here to see if I can find her and see what state she's in at the moment. I've come to this car park and I'm going to go see if I can find my way up to the sea wall and then hopefully find the marina where NORSELA is now. Oh, no ramp there. Oh, it's up there. Well, there's several boats along here, but they're in I don't know whether it's a canal or a river or what it is, but it's got locks at the end of it. So I'm just hoping that I'll be able to find her. The new owner said it was on a pontoon, so it's obviously not along this section. Is there a marina office anywhere here?
There isn't an office that's open up actually.
Oh right, okay.
It's a CBS or something, yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. So we'll go and see what he was talking about. Well, I can't see anything so far. Keep going a bit further. So, is there a marina office around here somewhere?
Oh gosh, I don't know about that. There is the, he's the lock keeper.
He's the lock keeper, so I don't.
I'm sorry.
He's the lock
He's on the other side of the canal, he's the lock keeper, but I don't know about a marina office.
Oh right, okay.
No, I'm sorry.
Nothing up that way, that's just sea wall.
Right, is there another marina around here then, or?
There's one.
Only a mold. Oh, there's another, it's a yacht club, isn't
yeah,
it?
there's a yacht club, that's just...
The yacht club's not what I'm looking at, I've just been there.
There's a cafe just around the corner.
Yeah.
You can get in with that.
Right,
Ask them.
thank you very much. So,
They may know more.
Yeah.
They're down here all the time.
all right,
There 30
I was going to
Okay.
say, we don't know.
I'll go and ask them. Thank you.
Office, there you go.
Oh, there we go, got smartphones here, why didn't any of us think of that?
Yeah, we didn't think of that.
Yeah, the trouble is, all I know is the boat I'm looking for is somewhere in this area, in a marina, and the new owner has contacted me. It used to, 10-15 years ago, it used to be my boat, and I sailed it thousands of miles around the Baltic, and I just wanted to see her again, because apparently the people I sold it to ruined it.
Yeah, I think it probably is more around the corner.
I wonder if because they're lock controlled here. I wonder if he's moored it, whether it be more around the corner.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is loads of boats.
Yeah, there
down
is
that
loads of
path.
boats.
I'll go and have a look down there then.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
thank you.
Yeah, sorry, didn't come up with them.
Thank you. Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you. I don't know what I'd do without my little scooter wheel. Wouldn't get round here. Well, it says boat owners only, but the gate's not locked, so we'll go through and see what happens. Well, I do believe I found her. Yes, that's her. There she is. Oh my God. Oh dear, oh dear. Good morning. Technically, I don't suppose I'm supposed to be here.
Well, you're in Sean's hand, you.
That boat there, that is Lazy Kipper, isn't it?
Yeah.
It used to be NORSELA, and it used to be mine until about 15 years ago. I sailed her miles, thousands of miles, up around the Baltic and everywhere, and she used to be a catch.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Sad. Would you mind if I came on board and so I can get some video of the front of her?
Sure.
Thank you very much indeed.
Is that what it is, a camera? Yeah.
Sorry?
Okay.
Well, there she is. And doesn't she look sad? And the white hull doesn't suit her at all, and the wooden rubbing strip has been replaced with some plastic or tape, some form or another. Inside the wheelhouse, a real mess. Oh dear. What a shame. They put solar panels on it. That's not bad, that's a good thing, I suppose. But look, it looks as if they've been working on the handrail. So I'm hoping that the new owner is going to try and bring her back to something respectable. There's the foredeck that I used to sit on and watch the world go by when I was in a marina. But having taken the mizzen mast off and the way she is now, it'd be better off taking the main mast off and just using her like a motorboat. In fact, if they put a steaming mast on that was lowerable, I made one and I had one on the stern. And I spent a season cruising the Dutch canals where you couldn't go with masts up. That was a lovely time. I think they'd be better off doing that. When I saw the advert for sale again, I actually thought about buying her back. I'm glad I didn't. Anyway, thanks for watching, and BFN to you and my old boat NORSELA.